Tired of fumbling with cash or dealing with complicated money transfers? Do you ever just need to send money to a friend or split a bill with a roommate, but you're not sure how? Well, if you're a Navy Federal Credit Union member, you're in luck. Zelle is the answer, and it's integrated right into your Navy Federal mobile app and online banking. This means you can send money to friends, family, and people you trust, even if they bank somewhere else, all with just a few taps. It's fast, it's easy, and best of all, there are no extra fees from Navy Federal. Here's a quick rundown of how to use it. First, you'll want to log into your Navy Federal account either through the mobile app or online banking. Once you're in, find the Move Money section and then select Zelle. From there, you'll see a few options: send money, request money, and split bill. Let's say you want to send money. You'll just tap Send Money, choose a contact, or add a new one using their email address or U.S. mobile number. Make sure you're sending money to someone you know and trust, because once the payment is sent, you can't cancel it if they're already enrolled with Zelle. Next, you'll enter the amount you want to send, review the details, and hit Send. The money is typically available to the recipient in minutes if they're already enrolled with Zelle. It's that simple. What if you want to request money? Just follow the same steps, but select Request instead of Send. Enter the amount and who you're requesting it from. They'll get a notification and can approve the payment from their own bank. Remember, Zelle is designed for sending money to people you already know. The payment is sent directly from your account to theirs, which is what makes it so fast, but it also means there's no purchase protection. So, when in doubt, just double-check the recipient's information before you send. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.